Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Romi Patel. This channel is all about eBay reselling, finding ways for multiple income streams. So if you're into that type of stuff, click that subscribe button and like this video. In this video, I'm just going over all the items that I got from Sunday's CarBoot sale. And as you can already see, I got some great stuff. Yeah, let's go over each and every single item. That's the whole pile, guys. Some crazy stuff, and when they get sold, I'm gonna have a real hard time packing these items, but I don't mind that, and neither should you. Don't be afraid of packing stuff, guys. Let's start from the golf club. This is like a great pickup, guys. There are 12 clubs, including the drivers. Great items, very vintage, well-known brand. Still got a good amount of life left in it. So guess how much I paid for it? Nah, not that easily, guys. I want you to watch this whole video, and somewhere in this video I will tell you the price of this. I'm sorry for doing this, but watch the whole video, guys. I'm telling you, it will be worth it. So the next item you guys see is a Nerf gun. Very rare. Not the Nerf gun, but the come in a black color. I mean, all the colors that I've seen so far are like mixture of yellow and orange. I mean, I can see a bit of orange and yellow here and there. Like the paint has wore off over here, so I can tell like this has been like painted over. I don't know, but I'm happy. I'm selling it as a black color. It has everything. It has the power lid, like, and it's not here, but it's there. It has like the Nerf bullets, lots of them. This reload type deal, and I paid £15 for all of it, guys. And I've listed it as of right now for £50. That's what normally they sell for. It would be very easy to pack, just to get a long box and boom, be done with it. Very happy with this pickup, guys. Moving on. So yeah, the next item you see here is the flow lamp. Great pickup, made in England, twin head, working, and the rare thing about this is that it has the brightness adjuster type deal. Like, I haven't seen this in any other flow lamps. Great pickup. Guess how much I paid for it? £6. And guess how I'm gonna be selling this for? About £70, because of that little adjustment dial. It's working. I changed the bulb, which wasn't working. That's fine. Great pickup. £6 to £70 to £80. Not a bad deal. Moving on, we have a neon sculpture. Now, it shows a guitar in it, but it's actually an angelfish. Very nice, very beautiful. Like so yeah, very nice light. It's working. I paid £6 for it, and I will be probably selling it for about £30 or something, because it's a retro. I can tell that it was like from early 2000s. Not many companies does this. Very great pickup. I'll probably sell it for £30 to £35, maybe 25. I don't know. I will keep you updating like once it gets sold, so stay tuned. Christmas is coming, so it could be a cool gift. So this is like a great time to upload this type, list this type of lighting stuff, guys. If you have lighting type stuff lying around in the house, don't need it, list them. Moving on, we have here the best pickup of the day, which is National Panasonic tuner, record player and tape player. Yeah, that's correct. It is working. However, what is missing is that the speakers are in like this. Now it requires the 2-pin connector, because this one doesn't accept, like, doesn't have the red and black thingy, so you can just plug it up and test it. It requires an adapter over here, which I've ordered it. It's only like £2 for 10. I will plug it up in the thingy, back of the unit, test it. As of right now, I just plugged this unit on its own, and the tune table and the cassette player does work. So so that's a good sign. Like everything seems to be functionable, but I don't know if it makes any noise or not, like it may once I plug in the speaker. So I'm just waiting for that. If it's working, that would be very great, because guess what, they sell for 120 pounds, guys. Yep, 120 pounds plus. If it's not working, that's still fine. I can sell this for this on its own for parts and repairs, and I will easily recover my investment, which was 10 pounds. I know, crazy. Moving on to the last item we have here is Patron Boss golf bag. Now this, remember when I was teasing you guys with the price? Well, I paid 20 pounds for this and that bag. I can easily sell that bag for 50 pounds, 40 to 50 pounds. Easy pack up, like it won't take that much time. I'm very happy, guys. This will probably sell for 100 pounds. This will probably sell for 50 pounds. And guess what? This kit had like lots of spare drivers and iron clubs. So, and some of them were very rare. Like, which one was it? Yeah, this one, if it was in like decent condition, this was like probably 40 pounds or something like that. As of right now, it's 15 pounds. Same 10 to 15, 10 to 15, and this I've listed all together for 15 pounds or something like that. So I'm gonna recover my investment just by selling this like separate items. Whatever I sell, whenever I sell the bag and the whole John Letters kit, that would be just 100% profit, guys. So that's it for this video, guys. Like, I hope you enjoyed it. I went to a new place, which is about 20 minutes drive from my house. Great place, guys. Like, I'm telling you, like, I don't know how I missed it like whole summer. I should have gone there earlier, because there's like proper countryside-ish CarBoot sales, like low value items. Like, they sell it for low value, but they are very high valuable items, as you can see. Like, I'm not kidding. Like 6 pounds to 70 pounds, 10 pounds to 100 pounds. Crazy, guys. I'm telling you. As always, I will leave the total investment as well as the total estimated income. One more thing, guys. I know that quite a few of you are subscribing to my channel, liking my videos and commenting on it. I really want to say thank you very much. I really appreciate your support, and if you haven't already, please like, subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. Like, it makes my day when I see that subscriber count go up, or like somebody commenting on my videos. So it could be anything you want to comment. Like, it could be your experience, if you have sold these items before and for how much. Just trying to create a safe community where we can discuss this type of stuff. So yeah, thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.